When you first double-click on the Datacolor Paint icon, after reloading the software, you will receive a license screen. It is important to note that you only have 14 days once the software is installed to license your software, otherwise it will stop running. On this screen, it shows 3 ways to be able to license your software. If you are connected to the internet, you can click on the link and it will automatically connect you to a screen where you can start the licensing process. The other 2 options that you have is that you can send an email to Datacolor, or you can call Datacolor at the email address and the number shown on the screen in order to get your software license. You will need to know your serial number and your computer validation number. Right now, let's click Continue. We want to set up a couple of components here within Paint in order to get started. The first place we would like to go is we would like to go to Options and choose Instrument Specialist in order to make sure to set the communications parameters for our instrument. Once in Instrument Specialist, since we have a 110, we will select the DF100, SF100, SF600 option and click OK. Click OK to get past the please turn off and turn on your instrument. And when the system is finished finding the instrument, you will get a confirmation window, as well as down below you will get some communication parameters in red. Click OK. To close the Instrument Specialist, click on the X. Now let's move to calibrate your instrument. Click on the back button, and then from the Paint main screen, let's click on the Color Match button. Within Color Match, you'll notice down in the lower right hand corner a small button that says Calibrate. Click on this. Place the black trap against the instrument as pictured and click Measure. Place the white tile against the instrument as pictured and click Measure. It is important to note that when placing the black and white tile, only pull the plunger back and do not pull back the steel plate that is in front of the plunger. Your instrument is now calibrated and ready to use. The next option we would like to set up is we would like to set up your printer label option. The printer is shipped by default with 30256 labels. In order to set this option, off the main menu, click on the Options tab, and then down below click on the Printer Setup button. For purposes of this label, we want to click on the pull-down menu, choose Original Labels, and then make sure to check the 30256 label. Click Apply and click OK. Your printer now should be ready to print. While on this screen, if you did purchase an optional spider, you can set up the spider by clicking the Calibrate display below. This will allow you to calibrate your monitor with the spider. Choose which type of monitor you have. Then you will place the spider against the screen and continue to follow the instructions.